Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a brief review of Rivian's third quarter earnings results, so let's get right into it. Rivian is ramping up production, over 15,000 vehicles produced since production launched in September 30, 2022. And of course, with many of these electric vehicle stocks, these electric vehicle companies, the main story is on the supply side, is on production, because they've got a backlog of orders. Customers are waiting for months and sometimes more than months to receive their electric vehicles that they've ordered. And so the question just is, how soon can these companies ramp up production? Can they keep these production costs low enough to meet all of these customer demand? Because customer demand is robust. So, and like I mentioned, 114,000 pre-orders of R1, Rivian's R1 trucks in the US and Canada as of November 7. So at this pace, they've got pre-orders going for several months now. And of course, it still has the 100,000 initial order from Amazon for delivery vans. Amazon's going to use Rivian's electric vehicle delivery vans for fulfilling orders, and so that's going to be a nice backlog of business for Rivian going forward. For 2022, management reaffirmed its guidance to produce 25,000 vehicles for the whole of the year, and the company has $14 billion of cash and equivalents as of September 30, so plenty of cash on hand to ramp up production to get things going, and plus coming along with all of the customer orders that are coming in, that's going to help them ramp up production and get to a scale high enough to where they can at least break even with each vehicle production. For now, though, they're generating a negative gross profit, and that was 917 million in the third quarter. They delivered 6,584 vehicles in Q3, generating 536 million in revenue, but they lost 917 million in gross profit, and overall the net loss was 1.7 billion in the third quarter. So massive losses on the bottom line for Rivian as it's ramping up. But the good news for Rivian stock investors is that the customer orders, the customer backlog remains robust. The management reiterated that customer demand remains strong. It's only a matter of, can it ramp up production soon enough? But that's not a simple issue. So many electric vehicle companies are entering the fray, and then legacy car companies are also producing their own electric vehicles. So the competition for materials to produce electric vehicles is heating up, raising the prices, reducing availability, making it harder for Rivian to ramp up its own production. So it's not an easy task here, but the good news is that customer demand is helping fuel some of this growth here for Rivian as it launches this relatively new car brand, car company. So there you go. That's my update for Rivian third quarter earnings. If you've gained any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me make more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/Parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.